right, I'm gonna bring in silver, silk silver. All right, and ELEGOO printing on our Bamboo Labs. Let's go and print a T800. All right, we're gonna put the silver one here and cry grip. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, let's open up my print. Not this one, but this one right here. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this beautiful. Oh, it came out good. Let me take it out of here. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my, look at that beautiful print. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and take it in the house. All right, so I've done one half of the actual skull of the Terminator, if you guys can see, and this thing is phenomenal. The silk silver came out beautiful. The color. I still need to get some of the supports here, but I mean, I couldn't be happier than this. I even put some eyes right now so you guys can see how cool it looks. Look at the details on the teeth, right? Everything. The bottom part, a little, you know, it needs some work, but I'm never going to see the bottom. It's the top that I'm more concerned about. And some of the teeth came out, well, they came out good. You know, they could just paint them and crack them here. So, but look at this. A little flow here, but I mean, we could clean some of the edges, but I didn't have to sand it at all. You can still see some lines on the silk, but beautiful details, shiny. I still want to paint it a little bit more silver and grease it up some more, you know, age it, make sure. But first I'm going to finish it. I'm going to actually light up the eyes too. I'm going to run some cables, some LED lights running through the eyes. I didn't glue the eyes, and these are just some random jewels that I bought from Michael's, and that's pretty much how I got it going. But details are off the hook. I painted them on white, the eyes, but I think I'm gonna paint them silver too. But overall, all the details on it, fantastic, beautiful. There you go.